She fucking owns with that shit. There we go. What is that? Nice, dude. We got it. Don't fall on her. Don't jump. What the hell are you guys talking about? Look around for her? Wait, what? What the fuck? Dude, what?
Oh. Hello. Thank you for lending your hand.
Don't die.
Without your help, I could not have defeated that quartet. I feel as if I've been in your debt from beginning to end. Thank you. With your help, I was able to live as my own person.
Don't.
If only in passing. But this is where things end. I paused to even tell you, but I took out the needle myself.
Why?
Tell whoever put you up to this that if I am to flower into something other than myself, I would rather rot into nothingness as I am.
Why?
Please, let me pass alone.
No!
Scarlet rot writhes now, worse than ever. Soon, I won't be more than a mound of flesh, curse-laden, untouchable. I wouldn't want such a thing to bring you harm.
I can save you. So there's nothing you can do. Oh my god, bro. Why? What is even the point then, dude? Oh my god. What is the fucking point if you can't save anybody in this fucking game? What is the point if you can't save anybody in the fucking game? Why even give the player the option to try? Why? Like, what does that do? If a person makes a character that sets out to do good in the world that you created, and you literally don't let them do any good, why the fuck would that person play? Welcome to real life. People get saved from death in real life all the time, like every day. So, what you're saying doesn't make sense. And she's fucking dead. Do a very difficult boss, and then kill 4 invaders, and then your NPC dies. Well, very well written story there, George R.R. Martin. Well done, dude.
Millicent, my daughter, why would you take out the needle? You were so close, so very close to becoming the fairest of all flowers. Would you disown us, too, as your mother did? We children of the scarlet rot.
Wait, what? Hey, yo, hold up. What?
Millicent, Melania, do you detest us so utterly?
What the fuck? What do I do now? Okay, I can't just execute him. Okay, I have to have a reason. What is the reason? What did he plan for Millicent? He was trying to turn her into a rot flower? He wanted to spread the rot through his daughter.